Here's a way to do division that's worked for a lot of my students, so maybe you'll like it too. First, let's say what division is. You're going to have a group of something, and you're going to separate it into smaller equal parts. So for the example we're going to do, let's use 54 divided by 3. So we're going to take 54 things, and we're going to put them evenly into each of the 3 buckets. Now, of course, we don't want to take a lot of time drawing fancy buckets, but we still need a way to organize our numbers. So let's keep these containers, and I'll still call them buckets because I like to say buckets. Okay, so the strategy works like this. We're going to keep putting numbers the same in each bucket until we get to 54. Now we can start with whatever number we want, because if we go too high, we can just erase and retry. I think we could start with 10 in each bucket. So that bucket gets 10, that bucket gets 10, and that bucket gets 10. Let's see how many that is. 10, 20, 30. That's a good start, but we're not there yet. Let's add some more. Let's put another 10 in each bucket and see what that gets us. There's 10 more in each bucket. So that comes to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. See, we went too high. We want to stop at 54, but we're all the way at 60. So let's take those 10 out. Let's try something smaller like 5. That would give us 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. See, now we're getting closer. I think if we try 5 more in each bucket, it'll be too much. So let's just do 2 in each bucket. We know we have 45. Let's put 2 more in each. That would be 2, 4, 6. We need to add that 6 to the 45 we already have. Let's count on. After 45 is 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. See, now we're real close. I bet we could probably get 1 more in each bucket. Let's see. 51. And then we add the 52, 53, 54. Sure enough, that was it. Now there's one last step. We need to see how much is in each bucket. Well, 10 and 5 is 15, plus 2 more is 16, 17, and 1 more after that is 18. So that tells us if we take 54 things and we separate it over 3 buckets, we would have 18 in each bucket.
Now it's your turn to give it a try. This strategy works best when dividing by a single digit. If it gets frustrating, slow down and breathe. Practice makes progress.